is technically part 2 to put the spark plug harness back in. Okay, first thing you want to do is turn the unit upside down like this, because it's going to go back in like that. You want to plug this back in. This cord goes all the way behind here and goes to the on-off switch on the right side of the wood chipper. Make sure you put this rubber sleeve back on like so. Okay, now make sure this cord goes on the inside here. Okay, and then once you have it there, just flip this up like so. Make sure it's snug against this, and you're going to put the 2 bolts back in. Okay, for the sake of the video, I'm only going to do them by hand. Make sure you do it with the 8mm socket all the way in, nice and tight and snug. Okay, there's one. And there's 2. So now we're going to fish this all the way back through. First thing to do is stick it underneath, underneath the fuel line. This is the fuel line. It goes all the way to the engine back there. Okay. Now once it's underneath that, and you're going to go on the inside between these 2 lever bars, which is for the choke lever and throttle. Once you're underneath that, you can go underneath the throttle, across, and then you're going to go underneath this hose, which goes to the air filter unit. Okay, once you're there like that, make sure you hook it underneath right here, like that. This goes back on, and this goes back in there. Right? You just push back in. Your spark plug just pushes in until you hear all the way snug. Now you have to put your shroud back on. Okay, when you're putting the shroud back on, right, remember this one goes underneath, okay, the levers right here like so. Okay, now 4 bolts, 1 up here, 1 up here, 2 on the bottom. Okay, when you're putting this back on, make sure you don't leave this out. Make sure this goes in there. This is your ground. If you don't have this, you won't be able to start the wood chipper. Now forget the 2 bolts on the bottom. Once this is in, then you put this, the fuel switch, back in. You can use that torque wrench, that 5mm torque wrench, and the bolt. Okay, real easy. And then you're done. Your spark plug will be in, nice and seated. You don't have to take anything else out, and your fuel switch will be on correctly, and your ground. Okay, thank you very much.